everybody, it's Miss Liz. I just wanted to say I miss you guys so much, and all this craziness has been crazy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rabbit hat. So first, I'm going to show you what materials you need. First, we need a plate. We need some cotton balls. We need pipe cleaners. I got pink ones. We need a popsicle stick. I picked purple because purple is a spring color and we usually see rabbits at the springtime. We need glue stick. We need a pink piece of paper, a white piece of paper. I'm actually recycling, using a piece of paper I didn't need anymore. And of course, a pair of scissors. Make sure you have parental supervision when you're using scissors. So first, with our paper plate, we're going to cut out the middle part. How do we do that? Let's see. The easiest way to do it is to fold this plate in half. We had the corners kiss. Now I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut around the sides. Alright, the middle part is cut out. Open it up and ta-da! That's inside of the plate. Now, what does a rabbit need? Ears. So we're going to draw the ears on the two pieces of paper I have. Gonna try my best to do this. So I'm gonna start at the edge. Kind of made like a circle. And start at the other edge. All right, now we're going to cut these out using the scissors. So this white part we're going to use for the outside of the ear. So be for the outside, and then I'm going to use the pink for the inside part of the ear. Do the same thing. Draw a little smaller. Take the scissors again. So that's one. And then this will be number two. Number two. Alright, so we are finished with the paper now. So for the plate part, we're going to put the cotton balls on. So we're going to take our glue stick, turn it, shake it, and then squeeze. And then we'll take the cotton ball and put it right on the glue. Make sure you push it down so it sticks. So that's one. Do it again, shake, squeeze. This will be number two. Push down so it really sticks. This will be number three. Now, number four. You really push down so they stick on there so it doesn't fall off. So this is number 5. Push, 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 and good. This will be number 6. Push, 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 and number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. So I was able to fit 11 cotton balls onto the plate. Now we're going to add the whiskers. The whiskers, I use pipe cleaners. I just cut them in half, so I have 3 for one side and 3 for the other side. So same thing, use the glue. Probably going to put it right onto the cotton ball. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So that's the one side. Now we're going to work on the other side. So that's 1, 2, and number 3 for this side. So for the total, we have 6 whiskers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to put on the ears. So you're going to take the ear and kind of stick it right underneath here. So I'm going to put some glue on the edge of the white paper. And kind of push, push, push so it sticks. Then I'm going to take the pink for the inside. Put some glue on the back. And stick it right on there. And I'm going to take the other ear, put some glue right on the edge of it. Stick, sticks, push, push, push so it sticks. Now we're going to take the pink part, put some glue on the back. And then stick it right onto the white part. Oh, look how cute that is. I love it. All right, now we're going to add the popsicle stick. Sadly, I didn't have a pink one, so I picked purple because purple is also a spring color. So we're going to put some glue right onto the popsicle stick. Push right onto the paper plate. Nope, that's not working, so we're going to turn it over just gently. Actually, put it right onto the paper that we just used. Push, push, push. Make sure it sticks. And there we go. That is our hat. That is a very cute hat, if I say so myself. So I hope you enjoyed making a rabbit hat with me. Hopefully you're able to make it at home using any type of material that you have. And I hope everyone has a happy Easter, happy Passover, whatever you celebrate. And hopefully to see everybody soon. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.